I'm back. So the last time y'all seen my camera fell. This is the first time it fell, and on his head too. Crazy. On her head. She's a girl. But I'm going to school now. It's 5:26 p.m. Thank God with this teacher though, being that it's the end of this semester, he lets us go early anyways, but being that it's the end of the semester, he'll probably let us leave so earlier than usual. So that's that. But I'm about to go to school. I have to ask my advisor a couple questions. I was supposed to ask him earlier, but I didn't think about it until now. This much I slept. But I'll see y'all when I'm in class. I'll probably record. Maybe not. He probably won't have much for us to do. Probably a worksheet. There you go. Because sometimes we do worksheets in class. So, but alright, I'll get back to you. I'm tired. Oh my god, you have mad slow.
I know you can't get these party.
I hate this part right here.
Colgate for that Casamigos. Go you a sweetheart, but I know that you a freak though.
Oh my goodness.
I know the bent like, yes I have, and I'm paying.
She reading my mind. She catch me every time. Might be psychic, she catch me every time, but she's still on my mind.
Passing time.
Time after time, I tell you why again.
What you said?
Why won't you let me leave? If I told you the whole truth, would you lie? If my heart is in your hands, will I die? Would you? I'ma make it buzz, but I need you to be cool with your sack. On the time after time, I tell.
Hey guys, I'm out of class and I forgot to record. I forgot to record when I was in class, but we wasn't doing much anyways. We was just going over work on the board or whatever. But he let us out early at 6:38. We were supposed to get out at 7:20, but when you early with the work, you early. That's it. I do want to play music again though, so we're about to do that on the ride home. I don't even know what to play. Let's see. Do I want to listen to Cardi B? I don't know. I got some old songs. I hate the way this thing is set up now. Come on. Go to albums. I'm mad my camera fell earlier. And thank God it didn't break. Because this camera is fragile. I need to hurry up. Oh, Heartbreak on a Full Moon. I forgot about this one. Indigo. Come Together. I like that song. Come Together with her and Chris Brown. Alright. Let me start driving. So many feelings involved. It's perfect timing. You've been waiting. Doing for you what I wouldn't do for anybody. No, you ain't that worthwhile. Dreams are made up. So many feelings involved. This song is fire right here.
I've been praying and bleeding with my back. And we know that it's all to me. All they see, all these wrongs that I've done, I'm just trying to make it right.
What he said? I'm feeling Chris Brown. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm telling y'all. Stop being disrespectful. But I'm upstairs now. What we doing today, chat? What we doing? Because I don't know. At this point. I'm going to clean my room again. I'm not going to make that a video though. I know y'all sick of me cleaning my room. Do I take this off? I'm happy. I'm done with all my modules for most of my classes. I think I only have 2 more classes that I need to finish. But other than that, I'm good. So, but I'm going to go chill with my baby for a little bit. And go eat something because I'm hungry. I only ate a little bit of breakfast today. I didn't even finish it. And then a sandwich. But I want to eat again. Guys, I lost 8 pounds. I was 143. Now I'm 135. Right? So I don't know what to make. I gotta go wash my hands though. Because I just got in the crib. And before I touch my daughter, I wash my hands. So I'm going to get back to y'all when I'm doing something, I guess. I don't know. We'll see what this vlog, where this vlog takes us. Because it is a FaceTime vlog. So FaceTime with me.
What's going on, chat? It's the morning.
Today is the 10th. I got my little braids in that I did last night. Bella got a closed in. No, not Amazon. She got it on Temu. She said, oh, he said mine. She said, he be wildin'. I said, listen, you talk to her about that, not me. Yo. That's why her fat ass is crying, because she don't got food in her bowl. Anyway, chat, I'm about to make me an iced coffee, because
She's fat like that and her cry is such a baby. Doesn't make sense.
this one's pissing me off, too.
How old she is.
Don't ask me for shit else. And you, keep being ungrateful. Let's go. Come here, now. Sit over here. I had a salad yesterday, I bodied.
You said what?
I had a salad yesterday and I bodied. I went from 143 to 135 to 133. Is this even normal? Hey y'all, so I'm eating, drinking my coffee. I'm making my daughter some eggs. And I don't know what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day. I might study some more. Yesterday I studied a little bit and wrote down some words, but I really have to study because this is my last exam for this semester. So I really have to review. So, and my camera's on 60. I wish I wish cameras had the feature of low power mode. I need that because it's something about this coffee that just tastes like it's good, but it's a different aftertaste. I'm not gonna say weird because it's just different, and I can't explain it because I don't know if it tastes sweet at the end or salty or sour. I know that sounds crazy, but I don't know. Just try that coffee. If you drink iced coffee, try that one. Get it in your supermarket or try Target, whatever. It's called Lacombe, I think. And just see if you know what I'm talking about. I don't know. Guys, I might do my nails today, like my real nails, and just put acrylic over it. But the dip, not the regular acrylic, because the smell. Today I don't have school, thank God. So it is supposed to be. I said a FaceTime vlog, bro. It is a FaceTime vlog. That's what it's gonna be. FaceTime vlog, coming me to school. I think this is episode 6. I don't remember. I also feel like posting one time a week too. On Sundays, I'm gonna be forgetting what content is which, because even though I'm posting once a week, I'm still recording during the week. So sometimes I get confused. And I'm like, bro, that's why I have to hurry up. Once I'm done with one, edit it quick and upload it to private until I'm ready to upload it. And keep doing it like that, because if I keep back-to-back different videos, I start getting confused. It's a lot of work. Give her some little scrambled eggs. She's starting to eat by herself too. I'll put it on the thing for her, but she does still make a mess and tries to pick it up and play around. So she'll eat at first. I put it on the thing and she'll go like this, start eating. But then once I guess she don't want no more, she starts playing around with it. So this dog is something else, bro. I'm trying to get him to start eating dog food again because I got him used to eating human food, chicken and stuff like that. Turkey, meatballs, and now he don't know how to act. So I'm trying to get him back to dog food because shit is expensive out here. And now he will be like, he's real stubborn. If he don't get chicken or human food, he's not gonna eat his food. He eats Bella's food instead, the cat. He eats her hard food instead. He doesn't like his hard food. Bro, he's too much. But I'm gonna feed my daughter and I'm gonna get back to y'all in a later clip. So when I call you back, pick up. Hey lovelies, it is months later. Not weeks, not days, months. So I did this video in April and I kept seeing it in my videos saved in my gallery in my camera. And I'm gonna edit this and I've just been procrastinating. But now I edit it and this will be the end of my video. I didn't record nothing else after I was studying for that test. That was pretty much it. But this is the end of my video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I made it long enough. Not long, but y'all get what I'm saying. So I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Be sure to comment and subscribe.